Okay, in this video I want to hear song from JAMSHID, TAMANAYE VESAL, ya. Okay, let's start watching this video. From Kurdistan music, ya. This song from your comments, guys. Thank you so much for your comment. JAMSHID, TAMANAYE. I think this song very amazing. Wow. تمنای وصال تو یگانه اشکم شود از هر موجه چون سیل روانه خواهد به سر آید غم هجران تو یارم ای تیر غمت را دل آشام نشانه چمنزان گل رخسار نشاندی پروانه در آتش شد اسرار عیاندی عارف صفت روی تو در پیر و جواندی یعنی همه جا عکس رخ یار تماندی music from Kurdistan always make me like a song from Kurdistan music. Kurdistan I like. Now this from just JAMSHID I like too. زدم صاحب آن خانه تویی تو هر جا که روم پرتو کاشان تویی تو در میکده بودی که جان تویی تو مقصود من از کعبه و بتخانه تویی تو I don't know what this means, but I know this make people hear this song like this song. I'm very like JAMSHID. This first I hear song from just JAMSHID, yeah, and later I want to make video reaction again from JAMSHID, yeah. Thank you so much for you give me this song, and don't forget you give me again what your favorite song. Okay guys, thank you so much for your attention. I really like a song from Kurdistan, singer from Kurdistan and music from Kurdistan, so amazing. I like so much. Okay, I like voice and music from Kurdistan. So thank you so much for your attention. Don't forget subscribe, like and comment what your favorite song and share to your friend. Okay guys, support me with your subscribe. Always keep watching my video, and don't forget you watch my other video Kurdish music reaction. There are Nafid Zarri, Sana, Bana, Zakaria, Ozzy Nauzad, all singers from Kurdistan. Okay, don't forget. Thank you for your attention. See you next video.